I can hear another wolf. Can you hear that? I was walking. And that video I just showed you? 30 yards. And it ran right around me. Holy cow. Yeah. That kind of freaked me out, not gonna lie. I don't even know if I knew I was here. Holy smokes, was that a big wolf. So I'm scouting for deer. I shot that 10-pointer last year. It was maybe 200 yards over there, and my four-wheeler's not far over there. But that's the direction he ran. It's about to cut my track. Okay, I guess I know why I'm not seeing any deer sign. Yeah, any kind of movement, I'm pretty sure I'm just fine. The road isn't, I don't know, maybe a quarter mile that way, or a side road, not a main road. And I could hear the local superhero going by out there, and I tried calling him. Do you think he would answer? No. So, Garrett, if I die, well, who cares? Never mind. Break off a chunk of this. And I'm gonna whack him with this, so at least I'll sting his nose or something before he eats me. Maybe wolves can't see high-vis vests or jackets, at least not dirty ones. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of stood there for a while, quite a while. Might have had to send a few guys a text or two, and my wife, trying to freak her out. Let's see, I gotta go that way. Have to admit, that's pretty cool. I've seen a few wolves in my lifetime, but not very often that close and unarmed. That was the most fun I've had, or thrilling experience I've had in a little while. Okay. I can see my four-wheeler over there now. I literally just went on a 3/4 mile loop around here looking for some kind of deer sign. That I thought last year was bad. This is really bad. On one rub. Maybe I know why. Yeah, I'm still looking around. Still got my stick. What, talk softly and carry a big stick? That's one thing about being a YouTuber, is one of the first things that comes to my mind. Get out your camera! Get out your camera! Take a video. We made it. I'm gonna put you right there in case I need you next time. I think you can see that porcupine there. And if you look, this is where that porcupine rubbed against this tree. He's really, really tall though. Holy smokes.
Oh my gosh.
There's actually no deer out here, so it's got to be a porky scratching his back. So moving one deer stand, and somebody else built a different one. We're going after that girl. I think I should just ride on the trailer and hold it as he bombs down the road. The trick is to find a tree that already has porcupine syndrome. Some trees produce paper, some produce lumber, some grow spikes. That's where they come from, children. Did you think he needed help? he's over there struggling while I'm like, oh great.
Should at least see a spike buck out of this one.
This is his backup stand, he says. You can kind of see out of it. Not spectacular. But I'm thinking a moose chewed off the top of that birch tree. So he was actually helping you. He wants you to kill the deer so he has more to eat.
Spot and me hunting in it if the deer stand wasn't super close to the ground.
Yeah, is this like a secondary road now?
Primary road. How's that for a big word?
Yeah, this isn't sketchy at all, is it? You know, this is stupid because if these legs catch something, it's going to tear this right off. It's a good thing he's going slow. Garrett! Garrett! Did you see that deer?
I did.
What was it? What? Hey, Garrett! This tree. If that leg hooks it, it's going to rip it right off. Well, we survived that, but even more amazing, when I was screaming at him, a deer ran across here. I can't believe it. They do exist. Oh! Hey! He's nervous now to see if he can fit through there. Oh, you're golden. Golden. You're good.
Catching up there, I think.
You'll be all right. See that? Just snapped it right off. Some people might think that was a buck rub. Uh-oh. Whose idea was this? I don't know. There's only one way to find out. I don't know. Fire Captain Tom, he finds his bucks out on the highway. Uh-oh. 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 Not a very energy efficient deer stand for sure. Yeah. Well, he's going to check on the porcupine.
Look at this up, though.
You can definitely see better up here. Geez, it looks wide on camera.
It's wide.
Me, not the trailer. Hey Carly, it's just minimal damage. It'll be all right. Well, I'm going to set up where I saw that wolf yesterday. I hope my stuff didn't get too close to the exhaust. Shade carpeting. It's the finishing touch. You take some pictures of some big bucks. Or that wolf. That'd be cool too. So you guys that watched last year's deer camp video, this is the stand I shot that nice 10-pointer out of. I sat here for like 8 days, never saw a deer. Finally saw a nice buck. Yeah, this year looks worse. Like no sign. Very, well, one picture of a 6-pointer that wants to be an 8-pointer, but I mean, it is just terrible. It's terrible. Probably not worth my time to hunt here, but what do you do? I mean, it's deer camp. You come up here to have fun. It's not always about the hunting, I guess. So I'm afraid I'm going to be mucho bordo. So yeah, I may have skidded right there. These are Dad's tracks. Dad left a couple hours ago. Paw prints on top of Dad's pickup tracks. No way. They're everywhere. Maybe I need to plead with them. Save one for the rest of us. They must be running out of something to eat by now. They've got to be running out of stuff to eat. You're gonna have to switch to rabbits or become vegetarians or something. You move on. Go eat somebody else's. I know people say that, and I agree, that if there wasn't something for them here to eat, they wouldn't be here. I don't know what they're eating. Well, the tamarack are pretty. That's the yellow needle trees. They're the only ones that lose their needles in the wintertime. Hey guys and gals. Hope you have a safe and fun